If I go Israel, someone killed me because I'm a Muslim.
No. We love Muslim. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, can I ask a question? What do you think about Iran? I want to know your opinion.
They can die. I don't like the government there, but I heard that the people like us and don't support the government.
Really?
Yes. We love Iran's people, not the government.
Okay. So, do you want peace?
Of course. Israel always want peace.
But
Just pick me.
I got some news through the media. Benjamin Netanyahu, he's passed away.
No, it's just fake news. He's alive.
You
Believe me.
you see him?
Yeah, I heard that, but it's just fake news. He's alive. Kick him in the life.
Really? He's live. But media said that he is passed away.
No, he's not. Don't believe the media. He's okay.
Do you see any Iranian people? What do you do with him?
We just say hello. I think the Iranian people don't. I don't know how to say it in English. I'm sorry, but they're not bad as the government there. So if we see people from Iran trying to be the nicest person we could.
And what do you think about Muslims?
We have a lot of Muslim in Israel.
Do you have any Muslim friend?
Yes, we have Muslim friends. Yes, we have a lot of Muslim in our city. She worked with Muslim.
Oh, she work with Muslim.
Yes.
And
I am a friend.
and how was your experience to work with Muslim people?
She very likes them. Yeah, they're friends.
Oh, that's great and really nice to hear that. I'm also Muslim.
Really?
Yeah. What is the condition right now in Israel?
We're in a war right now, but it's getting chill.
Are you feel safe in Israel right now?
Not really. No, there have been rockets from Iran.
You should stop the war.
Yeah, I think the war should stop because we want peace. We don't want.
Yeah, everyone want peace. Because in this war, so many innocent people are died.
From our side?
Every side.
No, not every side. No, every side.
No, they are
In
also
Iran, no.
they are also dying. So many innocent people.
In Israel, innocent people are dying. You're right.
Not only
But not in
Israel,
Iran.
Iran also.
I don't think so because our army tell them when to go to a safe place. They don't tell us, but we tell to Iran before we shoot that they need to go to safe place. Yes.
Okay.
I think Israel shoots Iran because they're trying to kill the government, not the people. The people love the Israeli people. We want to save them.
And what do you think about Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei? He's died.
Yes, he's dying. I think he's very bad guy, and a lot of people in Iran actually love the fact that he's dead.
And he's killed by Israel, right?
Yes, I think. Or the USA Army.
And okay, what's your opinion or what's your perspective? Who is more powerful, Israel, Iran, or USA?
USA, of course. USA.
And USA support you, so you are also very powerful.
Yes, we are a very powerful army. And USA want to save Iran also. So Israel and USA have the same goal. Yeah.
What do you think when this war are stopped? When?
We hope soon as that it can be. As possible. As possible. As soon as possible, because we planned a lot for the summer and it's our last year of school, and Also, the fact that a lot of people died in Israel, and it's not cool, guys.
And now, what do you think? And which soldiers are very brave, Israel or Iran?
Oh, I think our army is very brave, but also the USA army.
But I got some news through the media. Irani soldiers are very brave person. Is it true?
They're not brave, they mean people. They kill their own people. Brave, but I think not for good for bad reason.
And what do you think about
Sorry,
Gaza?
what? Gaza?
Yeah.
We hate them. They always make us. People in Gaza is a bad guy. They always make us the bad guy, and they shoot us first in October 7, and they're shooting us like once a year, and it doesn't make any sense that all the world think we are the bad guys.
But what is the reason? But there is so many innocent child are died by Israel.
Israel wants peace. Israel don't kill innocent children. They kill us.
So Israel bombing in Gaza so many time.
No, but not kill anyone.
If you are
No, anyone.
okay, let me finish. If you bombing in Gaza, so there is so many people died, right?
No, Israel, not Gaza.
You are not bombing in Israel.
No, no, no.
No,
No.
it's not true. You are bombing.
It's a
Israel,
fake
not
news.
you. Israel bombing.
You know, we know how it's like going. Every person you know knows a person that died in October 7.
And so many people are starving also.
Don't believe it. No.
I'm not.
Israel
I'm not believe you, sister. I'm not believe you.
I'm happy with me, but
I got some news through the media. That's why I ask you, because you are from Israel, so you are very know better than me. So I want to confirm that.
So I guess it's not true because Israel sent food to Gaza. We said trucks.
If you okay, I have another question. If you see any Palestine people, and what do you do with him?
Run. We have a Palestine people in Israel. In Israel,
Yeah,
they
I know.
live with us.
I know.
We stay with them. I'm personally. We don't like them. We don't like them because we try. I don't like them every time. I'm not going to hurt them, but if I see a Palestinian guy, I would run. Every Ramadan, again and again, they trying to kill us.
Okay.
So
If you go to the Gaza and you surrounded by many Palestine people, what should you do?
I don't think we have the situation because we're never going to go into Gaza, but they're going to kill us like they did the people who kidnapped in 7 October. I guess I would run actually, run for my life. Yeah.
What do you think about 7 October?
It's just terrible what happens there. I don't know the number of people who were killed there, but a lot.
You feel sad?
Of course. Of course. So many Israeli people are killing metal. Died. Metal. Killed. Died.
Okay.
In 7 October.
You-
And the has to look
do
like
you
the bad
want
guys.
Palestine should be a free country?
No. No. If they're going to be free, as you say, they're going to kill us and everyone. They don't deserve a country for them. And Israel send them peace, but they don't want it. They just want our land.
You think it's your land and Palestine think is her land.
Well, no. The history said that this is our land. You can search it from TikTok, all the media you already watched, because there's so much fake news on the media, and just don't believe anything you say. You see? You see.
Do you have boyfriend?
Boyfriend, yeah.
Oh, he's very lucky. He got you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, everyone have a boyfriend.
Sorry, what?
Everyone have boyfriend.
No, yeah. Boyfriend, different one, but
Yeah, absolutely, it's a different.
Oh, thank you.
Do you have any plan for marriage?
Not in this age, but eventually, yes.
Oh, it's mean you are very serious.
Yeah, of course. One day, I guess. We're dating for marriage. Ja, طب ما تنسى التوب تفتكر
Your friend look like very sad.
Sorry, what?
She look like sad. What is the reason?
She just tired. Come to Israel, Vilda.
Really?
Yes, come to Padas.
If I go Israel, someone kill me because I'm a Muslim.
No. No, no. We love Muslim.
Really?
We love. Really? Yeah. We live with a Muslim.
But
She works with him.
I met before so many Israeli people, they hate Muslims.
No, no, no. Some, I guess, but most of us likes Muslim and live with them with peace. Yeah. My little brother has a friend who is
You
Muslim.
like Muslim because you are good heart. You are good person.
Oh, thank you. Stop, I'm gonna blush.
And what do you think about I'm good or bad?
Oh, of course, you are very good. You're wonderful. Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
we should support we should support humanity.
Amen. Amen. Oh, yes, of course.